Hi, I'm John Schleiffarth, independent program attorney for U.S. LawShield in Missouri. Today I'd like to talk to you about the use of force in protecting others. We often talk about the use of force in protecting ourselves, and it's a very similar legal standard that applies to the use of force in protecting others. The legal standard is whether or not someone else is under an imminent threat of deadly force or a forcible felony is about to be committed against them. Let me give you an example. Let's say you have a neighbor who's being held at gunpoint. If you believe that that neighbor is under the imminent threat of the use of deadly force, then you can use deadly force to protect your neighbor. Also, if a forcible felony is being committed. What is a forcible felony? Murder, rape, kidnapping, assault, sexual assault, arson. These are all forcible felonies. Now, in a court of law, a reasonable person standard also applies to this scenario. So a court or a jury won't be interested in whether or not you felt that you needed to use force. They'll be interested in whether a reasonable person under the same circumstances would have felt that the use of force was necessary to protect another person. So remember, imminent threat of deadly force against someone else, you can intervene. Or if a forcible felony is being committed and you need to use deadly force to prevent the commission of that forcible felony. Another scenario that arises is you may encounter a situation where you see someone else who is in danger. Maybe a forcible felony is being committed. Are you the right person to intervene? That's a question you have to ask yourself. Do you want to risk being sued or potentially going to jail to help that person? If you believe that there may be time to call law enforcement or get law enforcement involved, then you may want to pursue that avenue. If it's a situation where you're the only person who can help, then you do take that risk upon yourself and you have to be able to justify your use of force. But yes, you can use force to protect that other person.